Hi, I'm Dr. Shea from Camiseta Skin Clinic from the Philippines. Oh, we like it. We like the weather. It's a good time to be here during the winter season. And we love the food. We just had lunch, a sumptuous lunch, very delicious. And we're so happy with the accommodations being given to us by Agnes. Oh, aside from the training that we're having with Agnes, of course, the side trip to Olive Young, where we were able to buy Dr. G's products and everything that we ate, because this is our first time to stay in this area, in this neighborhood, and we love it. It's a different part of Korea that we've never been to, and we're loving every minute of it. We're very happy that it came at the right season, our training. So this is one of our favorite trips. So we love life. Okay, so we've been using Agnes and Double Tight since last year. For Agnes, we love it for, of course, our primary purpose is for acne. For Double Tight, our primary focus is really the face and the neck. So we've had it for almost a year now, exclusively in Camiseta Skin, and it's our patient's favorite treatment so far. For Double Tight, I really recommend Double Tight. First, reduction of pores and hydration. So you get that anti-aging and the glass skin look, which Filipinos love about the Korean. Our patients love it that it only requires minimal downtime and they can go back to their regular routine the following day after the treatment. You know, we just had a surprise lecture with Dr. Sang Junri last year for Agnes, and he discussed about Double Tight. And right there and then, we decided to purchase one for our clinic. And now we already have 3 machines for our 3 branches. And we've been very, very happy so far. We believe in the technology, and we love the results that we achieve on our patients. Well, we also have other microneedling devices in our clinic, but what makes it favorite among our patients is with Double Tight, we're able to combine infusion of skin boosters or other medicines that we will use to address specific concerns. It's combined with microneedling, with RF microneedling. So we don't have to have like an add-on treatment. We have both at the same time. Oh, the Agnes. We love it. It's just that, of course, it's painful, especially for acne treatment. But because of the treatment outcome, patients are able to tolerate it because, of course, with acne, patients look for something that will permanently treat their acne. And they're very, very satisfied with the effect of the Agnes.